All right, welcome back to Tony's Tipbits. Look what it just landed today. The brand new JOOLA Agassi Heat Vision 16 millimeters. You say Andre Agassi and Pickleball. You know I had to grab this. And I'm a tennis fan, and you know how it is. And it's under $100. JOOLA packed some serious tech in here. Look at this pull string. It looks like a pickleball. Isn't that great? Pickleball racket. And then I got that. Let's open it up. Look at this. What a beaut. First up, this 5.5-inch extended handle. So if you like running a two-handed backhand or coming over from tennis like Agassi, this shape gives you insane leverage and reach. Second, it's 16mm thermoformed core with SK vibration-dampening film. That means huge control, zero harsh feedback, plenty of texture for a nasty spin. You know how I like my spins, and then so you can get that spin on your drop there. It weighs around only 7.8 ounces, super fast in the kitchen, feels like a luxury paddle without the $250 price tag. So drop a comment if you tried this particular thermoform. I can't wait to get out onto the courts and give this a try.